my students. Hope you all will be fine. It's me, Miss Maryam, and today we will discuss about the topic Internet as a post office. Today we will discuss some related terms with this topic. Email. Email is an electronic mail sent from one computer to another computer. Another term is URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. It is nothing more than the address of a given unique resource on the web. In theory, each valid URL points to a unique address of web pages on a website. Another term is net surfing. In web browser, browsing of any page and going from one page to another web page by clicking any hyperlink is known as net surfing. Let's discuss education through internet. You can get education through the internet by searching information on the internet. And as you all know, in this pandemic situation, we are giving you online classes. It's also an example of education through internet. It opens doorways to a wealth of information, knowledge and educational resources, increasing the opportunities for learning in and beyond the classroom. Access to the internet helps educational administrators to reduce the cost and improve the quality of schools and colleges. Let's discuss home task. So students, in week 5, you have to write short note on education through the internet on color paper, and in week 6 you have to learn all the question answers of the topic Internet as a post office. Hope you understood all. Thank you.